Have you ever stopped to think about how little we actually know about the oceans that cover more than 70% of our planet? While we look to the stars and dream of exploring distant galaxies, the deep sea remains one of the most mysterious and unexplored places on Earth. And in this hidden world, there's a vessel that has gone deeper than most, uncovering secrets so strange and mind-bending that even the most experienced scientists are left speechless. This vessel is the DSV Alvin, a human-occupied deep-sea submersible that has spent decades diving into the abyss. Today, you're going to plunge with me into 5 of the most stunning submarine mysteries linked to this iconic explorer. This is just a story of science and machines. This is a story about facing the unknown and coming back with answers that only raise more questions. Imagine descending into complete darkness. As you leave the sunlight behind, the water around you turns from blue to pitch black. You're now 2 miles beneath the surface, where the pressure is hundreds of times greater than what we feel up here, and the temperature hovers just above freezing. That's the environment the DSV Alvin was built to survive. First launched in 1964, Alvin has undergone multiple upgrades over the decades, becoming one of the most sophisticated submersibles in the world. It's been used in over 4,000 dives, exploring places no human had ever reached before. But what makes Alvin special isn't just its technology. It is the role it played in revealing an alien world right here on Earth. From investigating sunken nuclear submarines to discovering bizarre, glowing creatures, Alvin's dives have reshaped how we understand life itself. One of Alvin's most jaw-dropping discoveries happened in 1977, near the Galapagos Rift. Until then, scientists believed that all life on Earth depended on sunlight. But when Alvin dove into the darkness of the deep ocean and stumbled upon hydrothermal vents, essentially underwater geysers spewing mineral-rich, boiling water from beneath the seafloor, everything changed. Around these vents, life thrived. Giant tube worms, clams, and shrimp crowded the area, surviving not on sunlight but on chemicals through a process called chemosynthesis. This discovery flipped biology on its head. Life didn't need the sun. It just needed energy. Any kind of energy. And if life could survive in such harsh, alien-like environments on Earth, could it exist under the icy crust of Jupiter's moon Europa or Saturn's Enceladus? The questions only grew deeper, but not all of Alvin's encounters have been so easily explained. In one dive, near the Mid-Cayman Rise, the crew reported witnessing a large, slow-moving shadow pass silently by the viewport. It didn't match the profile of any known deep-sea creature. No footage was captured. The shadow moved too fast and stayed too far, but the story stuck. And it wasn't the only one. Over the years, various Alvin missions have recorded strange sonar anomalies, sudden temperature shifts, and unexplained lights in areas where no bioluminescent organisms were expected to exist. Some chalk it up to equipment glitches, others to marine life we simply haven't discovered yet. But among ocean explorers, there's a quiet belief. The deeper you go, the weirder it gets, and we're just scratching the surface. Then there's the case of the submerged ruins. During a dive off the coast of Cuba in the early 2000s, sonar scans revealed massive geometric shapes on the ocean floor, structures resembling pyramids, roads, and possibly even buildings. Alvin wasn't the primary vehicle involved in the initial scans, but it was later dispatched to investigate similar anomalies in other parts of the Caribbean. While no definitive proof of ancient civilizations has been confirmed, some researchers believe these underwater formations could be remnants of long-lost coastal cities swallowed by rising seas at the end of the last ice age. Skeptics argue they're just natural formations. But even so, the debate continues to fuel the mystery. Could our history books be missing an entire chapter buried beneath the waves? Another mystery linked to Alvin is a phenomenon some scientists call the silence zone. In specific deep-sea locations, especially in areas with otherwise vibrant ecosystems, Alvin's crew has reported regions where the ocean seems eerily quiet. No fish, no movement, not even the normal background hum of marine life. Just complete, unnatural silence. Instruments function normally, and sonar detects nothing. It's as if something, or someone, is avoiding detection. While some suggest it's simply due to topography or environmental factors, others have more speculative theories. Could these be hiding places for species we have yet to classify? Or are we venturing into areas where nature itself is trying to keep a secret? Let's not forget the incredible technological advances that have made these discoveries possible. Alvin AS' ability to dive more than 4,500 meters below the surface is thanks to its titanium hull, specially designed to withstand the crushing pressure of the deep sea. Its robotic arms can delicately collect samples of life forms no one has ever seen. High-definition cameras provide crystal-clear images of alien landscapes on the ocean floor. Every mission is backed by a team of scientists, engineers, and pilots who work in unison to navigate this hostile world. And every dive brings us a step closer to understanding not just the ocean, but life itself. What we learn down there could unlock the mysteries of climate change, lead to medical breakthroughs, or even guide us in the search for life beyond Earth. Despite everything Alvin has shown us, we've explored less than 10% of the ocean floor. That means 90% of our planet's largest habitat remains completely unknown. Think about that for a second. There are mountains taller than Everest, valleys deeper than the Grand Canyon, and entire ecosystems we haven't even begun to document, all hidden beneath the waves. Alvin is a key to this world, but it's just one piece of the puzzle. New missions are already planned with upgrades to take us even deeper, even farther. And with every dive, there's the chance of uncovering something that completely changes what we thought we knew. So why does this matter? Because the mysteries of the deep sea are more than just curiosities. They challenge our assumptions, expand our imagination, and show us that the Earth is still a place of wonder. In a world where so much feels mapped and explained, the ocean remains a final frontier. And Alvin, our humble submersible, is like a space shuttle to an alien planet. Only this one is right here at home. It reminds us that adventure is not a thing of the past. It's still happening, right now, beneath our feet. If you've been captivated by these underwater mysteries, imagine what else is waiting to be discovered. Maybe, one day, you'll be part of the team that uncovers the next big revelation. Until then, stay curious. The ocean isn't done surprising us yet, and neither is Alvin.